Okay, here we are in day 3, room 1 of my basement. This fridge here, let's see, this refrigerator here is going out. It does not work, so we're gonna have it picked up, and we have one that we're replacing just for overflow, and I'm hoping it'll be a little smaller, but I'm not sure. Anyway, day 3, I don't have a whole lot to do to finish up this room, but I do have a second room and that's really where the plumbing needs to be fixed. And then we have a utility room, which I'm fine with the utility room being a storage mess. I mean, that's not a bother. I want to make this space usable, and I think we're getting there. So thank you for watching, and hopefully today I'll finish up. This is where I'm starting from. So this is where the Christmas stuff was. Still have a little organized chaos here, and this issue over here, but again, that's all going away. I did get the steps cleaned off. I got a couple of boxes to put away over there, but all in all, it's looking much better. Still some stuff to deal with that's kind of just around, but soon, and as you can hear the chirping, I need to put a new battery in the smoke detector down here. But anyhow, that's the fridge there that we'll be removing. I would like to put a fridge right in this spot right here, but that one was too big. I just feel like it would be better over there. Here's a little kitchen sink and a bar there, and then over here in the darkness, we will reveal that mess tomorrow. All right, so boy, it looks so much worse on this camera than when I'm looking at it. Probably part of the problem. Anyhow, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to, that is going in the garbage. I gotta put that stuff away. This is trash here. These boxes need to go into the utility storage. I think that fan might be broken, so we'll check that out. If it's broken, I'll get rid of it. That's our donation pile, and that is pretty much, you know, I'll tag this stuff and pack it up in boxes, so that'll be gone. My Christmas wrapping paper, I might try to make a little less unruly. This is going to stay how it is. I'm not messing around with this. Yeah, so I don't know if this video really can give this justice, but it is so much better, and I can breathe. This big box was, sadly, we've had to buy 2 refrigerators in 7 years, and this was the refrigerator box, and how could I pass up not letting my little one build a house out of it? And there's his door and his window, and the window even has like and if you look inside, I don't know if you can look in there or not, but here's one of those things where what do I do with it now? Anyhow, so that is basically all I'm gonna do today. My tripod broke, so I won't be able to film it like I have been, but I'm very happy. I do have a few things I still have to go through, and I think I need to bring an air filter down here because, one, I can see in the camera in my videos the air quality, things floating around, and I'm so stuffy after being down here, so maybe I'll do that. Anyhow, here we are. Very happy with it. We'll be really happy when this is all gone. All right, thank you so much for watching.